What's up, FHS? I'm Stella.
And I'm Bryce. Hope you're staying positive, Sabers.
This week, we'll be having another baking competition and meeting with a new staff member. But first, we start by surprising our latest Hidden Saber winner.
During March Madness, we asked Franklin students to look out for a hidden saber hiding somewhere in our show. Many students submitted answers, but only one was our lucky winner.
Welcome back, Sabers, to the Hidden Saber. Today we are going to meet our Hidden Saber winner, Caden Cloud, in Mrs. Myron's room. Let's go surprise him. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God.
So, somebody in your class found out where our Hidden Saber was in our last show, and it just happens to be Mr. Caden Cloud over here. Everybody give him a round of applause. So, Caden, would you like a Superfan mask or a Superfan t-shirt?
I'll have the shirt, I guess.
All right, you can give him the shirt, and then you get 5 free cousin subs.
All right, thank you.
There you go, nice job, give me elbows. All right, guys, give him a round of applause. Congratulations, Caden. You guys enjoy the rest of your math class, all right? All right, Sabers, as you can see, Caden was very excited to win his 5 free subs and a super fan shirt. So we hope you guys can vote for the next Hidden Saber, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of the Saber Roar. See you guys later.
Congratulations, Caden, and hope you're enjoying those cousin subs. Sabers, if you want to be our next lucky winner, make sure to listen next time when we tell you to look out for our Hidden Saber.
Bryce, have you ever seen a princess walking the halls?
No.
One of our most interesting staff members helping Peewats with security is probably one you wouldn't expect.
My name is Miss S, or Miss Circatich, just a harder last name to pronounce, so I normally go by Miss S. And I am a student supervisor here at Franklin High School.
You most likely have seen her working either in the hallways or the lunchroom, but not much is known about her. Before coming to FHS, she worked in many different entertainment industries across the country. From working for a princess company in Milwaukee to being able to work as an entertainment cast member at Disney, she has put a lot of work into her career.
I actually grew up in Franklin, so I am from here, but I did not go to Franklin High School. I went to St. Thomas More High School in Milwaukee. And then I went to Viterbo University in La Crosse, Wisconsin to study musical theater. Did a lot of fun things. I did the Disney College program, so I worked at Disney and entertainment, worked as a singer-dancer at Six Flags Great America, if you've been there, in Illinois. After I graduated, I did theater in Montana, did some theater back here in Milwaukee, and then for about a year and a half before COVID happened, I was working at a theater in the Wisconsin Dells.
Her career in theater may have been put on pause for now due to COVID, but she plans on returning once her industry reopens. For now, we welcome to FHS Miss Circatich and thank you for all of your help.
With good reviews from our last episode, we're back with yet another Pros vs. Joe's baking segment. But Nate has something up his sleeve this time around.
Welcome back to Baking Without a Recipe, but this time with a secret ingredient. Like always, I'm Nate.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Cole.
For this episode, we decided to have a mystery ingredient for Cole and Maddie to work around. And the mystery ingredient is, drumroll please, coffee! Cole and Maddie have to figure out how to incorporate coffee beans into their recipe. They can either use grounds or they can brew it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, what are we gonna make?
Let's do brownies.
How much flour do we think? A half? Or just this?
Half what? Go a whole cup.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. How much sugar?
All of it. Let's just eyeball it. Say when. Oh no!
Oh god. Probably 2.
Sure.
That's what you use in cakes.
That was aggressive.
Oh, okay, wow. Okay, you pick how many.
We only need 1.
Okay.
Unless you want to put a whole box in.
No.
You want to do 2 for fun? Let's do 2 for fun.
No, I feel like that's really bad. Should we warm it up?
What? It's room temp.
Okay. No, don't touch both. We're only doing 1.
Oh, I killed it. Well, yeah, because I squeezed it.
I think we should eyeball it, but I know you can't put a lot.
Dude, we're not eyeballing vanilla.
They say 3 teaspoons.
Is there a recipe for brownies on the back?
Biscuits. Should we just do it?
You know, we're making biscuits now. How much cocoa do you want to put in? Oh, we're not, this isn't Saber Reads.
I'd say at least like 4.
4? You know what, go for it.
Do you want to do the instant or regular? I don't know what that means. Cole, you pick.
Say when.
Oh. Should we mix it while you're doing that? Yeah.
You didn't say when.
When?
Can we please put a little more chocolate? We got a lot of coffee to.
We gotta still mix.
Give me the.
No.
Just give me.
Okay, you start. I'll loaf them in there.
Oh, you got power on this one.
I'm making chocolate coffee cupcakes with coffee buttercream. Now that we're all done baking with the mystery ingredient, we're gonna see which bake the Saber Roar likes the best.
I'm doing a sniff test first. I'm scared to eat that.
First thought says this one's already the bad one.
I'm scared to try this one.
They got chunks in it too.
What do you think the secret ingredient is?
Fluoride.
There's like no, is there supposed to be coffee in that? I don't taste any coffee, to be honest. It's bouncy.
It's not awful.
Maybe like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd give it a 7.
5 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
6.
Now here's the thing. I eat my cupcakes a very particular way. Oh, I split them and I make a sandwich. That's the best way to eat them.
Wow.
Tastes like I'm biting into a cloud. A chocolate cloud.
Very moist, kind of crumbles easily, but not in a bad way.
Are you kidding me? That is so good. That's so good.
No, this one's better. A lot better. This one's really good.
You know the cupcake was good because there's not any left. That's straight gas right there.
This was like a 10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. I like this one a lot.
9.5 out of 10.
So yeah, the cupcake wins. 10 out of 10 for the cupcake.
Thank you for tuning in into episode 2 of Baking Without a Recipe. In the next episode, guests are going to be given a recipe, but some of the information is missing. See you in the next episode.
Congratulations to Maddie and Cole for producing something that was actually edible this time.
Our kindness quote for today is, be somebody who makes everybody feel like somebody. A big thanks to Jaden Blendon for this artwork.
That's all the time we have for today, Sabers. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter @the Saber Roar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.
We'll see you next week, Sabers.